What's up, guys? It's your boy No Chill Chat checking in, and today I got another great surprise for you guys. This has kind of been a long time coming, and I'm really excited to kind of get this thing unboxed for you guys today, and hopefully get it installed this week, probably, or maybe next week. We'll see what kind of what the weekend kind of entails, but stay tuned, because definitely got something special for you, especially for the people that kind of just stay on the road. Something that I had before on my 6th gen, and I'm excited to get it on this build. All right, stay tuned. So this is it right here in this little box right here. I'm waiting on my new table to get here, so once I get my new table, then some of my unboxings will be a little more professional, should I say. So right now I just got my car cover, carcovers.com, with the satin lining and stuff on the car, so make sure I don't scratch the paint or anything. But this is my unboxing from BLACKVUE. If you've been following me for a few years, then you know my 6th gen Camaro. I had a BLACKVUE on that car in 2017 until I got rid of it in 2020, and I loved it. Got a lot of good footage, got a lot of good videos. Some I was able to help other people with, but I've been just anxious to finally get one for my 4th gen. So with that being said, let's show you what I got, man. So of course, they always come with some good swag. BLACKVUE hat, nice t-shirt, good quality too. Definitely gonna wear this to one of my events. Got some stickers, got a bag. Use this as like HEB or something. What else? Oh yeah, dope mug. So not really a coffee drinker, but some hot chocolate or something like that. Oh, and a pen. I'm a pen too. So shout out to BLACKVUE for that. Always good to have some swag. But let's get down to the nitty gritty. So what I have is their new latest and greatest. That's the DR970X 2-channel 4G LTE Plus. All right. And also, this is their ultra battery. This is their ultra battery pack. So you can check the remaining your Wi-Fi, your cloud, everything. So this is pretty much kind of like the brain, but it's the battery pack as well. So longer lasting power, charges while driving, cloud, Bluetooth connection, low voltage alert. So this is gonna be dope right here too. But so anxious to get this, man. Let's go ahead and open this box. So with the DR970X 2-channel, you got two things going on here. You got your front camera. This is your front camera here. You can kind of see how large it is. The one I had before was probably about half that size. Probably about half the size, maybe 3/4 of the size. So this is a little bit larger than what I had previously. Got your optic cable here, you got your power in, you got your Sony lens. Also, you have your, that's why it's 2-channel, because you got 2 cameras. So with the second camera, you can face it in the rear behind you, or you can set it up as an interior camera. Totally up to you. This is your 4G LTE SIM card that you can use for your provider. Of course, all your wiring. All your wiring right there. Literally, they send you everything you need to get, everything set up for your vehicle. So the beauty of this, the LTE setup with the wireless battery setup is, what you can do is you can record your videos. You're driving, there's an accident or something, and you can actually upload them wirelessly directly to your phone. They've got an app. Say for instance, you're not home, you want to check on your vehicle, you can actually get a live view of your vehicle. There's GPS, so you can see exactly where your vehicle is. There's a lot of different options. It stores wirelessly to the cloud, so even if, let's just say your phone dies or something, you're trying to get access to all your videos and stuff like that, you have access to it via the cloud. You lose your phone because you download it on your phone, it's still gonna be in the cloud. So there's a lot of videos I've recorded. I've got videos on my BLACKVUE where it was a one-way driver on the highway. I've got video footage of somebody flying airborne. And what I'll do is I'll kind of upload that with this video footage as well, so you can see like the quality. And don't get me wrong, I do have a camera in my car right now for the rear view mirror. And that's specifically what I got it for, was for the rear view purpose of it. I wasn't really getting it for the dash cam purpose. This right here is the dash cam purpose. And then what I'll probably do is probably put this for the camera to face the inside of the cabin, get some, my point of view type of stuff. But when I tell you, any dash cam I've ever had, BLACKVUE has been the best camera ever. It's a little pricey, but when I tell you, everything is A1 from the backup battery. That's another thing. So say for instance, your car is parked and somebody bumps your car, the camera will kick on. There's like a shock sensor in it, so it'll kick on, or you can just set it up to where, as soon as you turn your car off, it'll just record for about 30 minutes. As you cut the car off, it'll just sit on for about 30 minutes before it turns off. And then if somebody still bumps your car, it'll kick on to make sure that they catch whoever drove off or whoever bumped your car. But when I tell you, BLACKVUE has the hottest dash cam I've ever used. They have an app, it's wireless, it's LTE. The video quality in low light, high contrast, superb. So I'm glad I was able to kind of team up with BLACKVUE again. It's been a long time. So since 2017, almost 8 years since I've teamed up with BLACKVUE again, and almost 5 years since I've had one in my car. But I'm ecstatic to get this in the car. I'll do an install video as well, for at least for the F-body guys that want to install one on their car and just see what they need to do, what fuses I tap into, how I wire everything. But shout out to BLACKVUE. Guys, when I tell you, I highly recommend a BLACKVUE dash camera. They definitely have some if you just want a single channel, dual channel. I even think they got like a triple channel on some of their cameras where it faces outside, the in cabin, and faces in the rear too. So check them out, man. Shout out to BLACKVUE. Looking forward to team up again and get this in the car and get some more footage Because like I said, you don't realize how many things happen when you're driving, and you know, you tell somebody about it and you just wish like, dang, like if I would have had it recorded, like it'd been so much easier to tell somebody. So like I said, I'm gonna upload some video footage so you can see exactly what I'm talking about, like moments where you just had to be there in that moment to actually see it. So this your boy No Chill Chad. Check it out, man, and like, comment, subscribe, hit me up in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, No Chill Chad, Instagram, No Chill Chad. Check out NoChillChad.com. I got some new merch that just dropped, so I actually got a couple of my shirts coming in, so you guys can see them firsthand. Just the quality and the new design I got for the summer. All right, take it easy, guys.